Okay, here are here are Mocha's babies. The vet feels that they just turned 5 weeks. So this is Latte. Okay. Oh, who's that? Hey, who's that? Who's that? And this is Lyric, the little light one, the second light one. And the two following their mother are Savannah and Carolina, since that's where they hailed from. Carolina. They missed out on the tornado. Thank God. Is that your mom? Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? There's your mommy. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, she's pretty. She's going to get all groomed tomorrow, so she'll be all one color. She's blowing her coat. So that's, we'll fix that tomorrow. Okay, they're just playing. You're pretty. She's pretty. Oh, sorry. Hi. Why, honey? What's the matter? Is it all scary? Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared, Mom. I'm still scared. No, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. She's scared. I'm not. They're all girls. So the wonderful thing that they're here is we don't have to worry about this crew ever having litters. That's not going to happen. The children don't need to see birth. The miracle of life. For all the parents who want to show their children a litter of puppies being born, you should show them a litter of puppies being killed. Sorry. Okay. It's a little miracle that they're here alive. Who's that baby? And this one is very, very fluffy. Come here, fluffy puppy. This is Lyric. Hi. Can I see your pretty face? Look at your pretty face. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. She has a very bad flea allergy, so she's been itching like crazy, but I can't put the medication on her because she's nursing. Look at this one playing. Yeah. Are you playing? She's very soft, even all beat up like she is. She's soft. She's soft. There's your babies. So this is our little North Carolina tornado miracle. And if you didn't hear the story, Mocha came into the shelter without her litter of puppies that she had just had. I don't know where they're at. And then the puppies were brought in with no mom. So fortunately the shelter staff put the two together. And here they are. Hi. She's pretty. She's pretty. She has to have some teeth removed. She might have been trying to chew her way out of a kennel. Who knows? Okay, gotta get back to work.